Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how you can delete promotions and social emails on your Gmail account. First, go to Promotions or Social tabs. Then, click the checkbox on the top left corner. Then you will see all emails have been selected. After that, click on Trash icon. It will take several seconds for Gmail to delete all the emails you have selected. Wait until your inbox are empty. To permanently delete everything, go to More and click Trash, and you will see every email that you deleted. Make sure to empty trash so you can permanently delete everything. And click Empty Trash Now. Gmail will ask to confirm you're deleting messages. Click OK and wait until the trash is empty. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.